welcome back to my channel. Today topic is Bharat Heavy Electrical Limit. BHEL. BHEL Indian Central Public Sector Undertaking and largest government-owned power generation equipment manufactured owned by Government of India with administrative control by Ministry of Heavy Industry established in 1956 with the help of Soviet technology. BHEL based in New Delhi. Bharat Heavy Electrical Limited Metro 3000 series type public trade as BSE 500103 NSE BHEL ISIN INE 257A01026 Industry Aerospace Defense Electrical Equipment Battery Manufacturing Firing Locomotive Nuclear Power Rail Transport Hydropower Thermal Power Station Renewables and founded 1956, 67 years ago. Founder Government of India, headquarter New Delhi, India. Area served worldwide. Key people K.S. Murthy, Chairman and Managing Director. Product gas and steam turbine, ultra high voltage transformer, industrial valves, power electronic, boiler, electric motors, controlled shunt reactor, electric locomotive, generator, heat exchanger, nuclear reactor, switchgear and sensor, automation control system, transmission system. Revenue increase rupees 21,210 crore, US dollar 2.7 billion 2022. Operating income increase 425.51 crore, US dollar 53 million 2022. Net income increase rupees 446.03 crore, US dollar 56 million 2022. Total asset decrease rupees 55,701.24 crore, US dollar 7 billion 2021. Total equity increasing 26,484.05 crore, US dollar 3.3 billion 2021. Owner Government of India 63.17%. Number of employee 30,758 as on 31 March 2022. Website www.bhl.com. History. BHEL was established 1956 using in the heavy electrical equipment industry. India Heavy Electrical India Limited was merged with the BHEL 1974 where it was set up in the 1956. BHEL was envisaged under the plain manufacturing PSU with technological help from Soviet Union. 1980 was cutting edge thyristor technology. 1991 BHEL were converted public company. Over time deployed capability to produce variety of electrical and electronic mechanical equipment, various sectors including transmission, transportation, oil and gas, other allied industry. Bulk of company revenue still derived from the power of generation equipment, turbine and boiler. 2017 equipment supplied BHEL constitute of around 55% of total installed power generation capacity in India. Company also supplied electric locomotive, Indian Railway, defense equipment such as Super Rabbit gun mount, SRMGM, naval guns and manufactured partnership with the Ordnance Factory Board, simulator, Indian Armed Force. Albin exporting power and industry segment product service for over 40 years. BHEL's globe in reference spread across over 76 countries across all the 6 continent world. Cumulative overseas installed capacity of BHEL manufactured power plant exceed 9,000 megawatt across 21 countries including Malaysia, Oman, Iraq, UAE, Bhutan, Egypt, New Zealand. Their physical export range from Donkey project of after sales service operation. BHEL engaged design, engineering, manufacturing, construction, testing, commissioning and service wide range of product system and service of the core sector economy with power transmission industry, transportation, renewable energy, oil and gas and defense. Network 16 manufacturing unit, 2 repair units, 4 regional office, 8 service center, 8 overseas office, 15 regional centers, 7 joint venture infrastructure allowing execute more than 150 project sites across India and abroad. Company has established capability deliver to 15,059 megawatt power plant domestic and international market 2015 to 16 making 59% increase over 2014 and 15. All-time high commissioning 15,000 megawatt single year. FY 2015 to 16 Bell has executed 170 gigawatt installed base power generating equipment. Bell has been catering national nuclear program since 1976. Design, manufacture, testing, supply critical nuclear components like reactor, heater, steam generator, steam turbine generator, other heat exchange and pressure vessel. Also has been exporting power and industry segment products service for over 40 years. BHEL globe reference are spread across over 76 countries across all the 6 continents world. Cumulative covers installed capacity BHEL manufactured in the Bell Limited total of 2,406 patents globally, which is 1,326 have been granted. These the 16,833 patents of 78% patent are active. India where Bharat Heavy Electrical Limited filled maximum number of patents. Followed US, Europe, Bharat Heavy Electrical Limited, BHEL average update more than one patent copyright every working day in FY 2011 initiative. BHEL investment R&D amongst largest corporate sector in India. During 2012 to 13, company invested about 1,252 crore R&D effort, which is correspond to nearly 2.5% of turnover in company, focusing new product and system development and improvements in existing product. IPR intellectual property rights capital BHEL grew 21.5% year, taking total 2170. Corporate R&D division Hyderabad leads BHEL research effort and number of area. Important BHEL product range research and development under RPD group. Each product group manufacturing division play a complementary role. Of BHEL has established Center Excellence for Simulator, Computational Fluid Dynamic, Permanent Magnet Machine, Surface Engineering, Machine Dynamic and Center of Intelligent Machine, Robotic, Compressor, Bumps, Center for Nanotechnology, Ultra High Voltage Laboratory and Corporate RD, Center Excellence for Hydromachinery, Bhopal and Power Electronic and IGBT Controller Technology Electronic Division of Bangalore and Advanced Electronic and Fabrication of Technology Cold Research and Center at Trichinopalli. BHEL has established 4 special institute of Welding Research Institute, WRI at Trichinopalli, Ceramic Technology Institute, CTI Bangalore, Center of Electric Traction, CET, Bhopal Pollution Control Research Center Institute, BCRI, Haridwar, Amorphous Silicon Solar Cell Plant, Gurugram, pursues R&D photovoltaic application. Bharat Heavy Electrical Limited BHEL achieved unique milestone supplying 100th space grade battery of ISRO, very important critical mission of Chandrayaan-3. Manufacture electronic division system ESD BHEL in Bangalore. Batteries use various type of chemistry including nickel, cadmium, nickel, hydrogen and lithium ion. BHEL supplied equipment Kaiga power plant and create world record continuous operation. BHEL NPCL collaborated to develop 220 megawatt Kaiga 1 nuclear power plant and indigenously designed pressurized heavy water reactor PHWR on December 31, 2019. Kaiga 1 become world record holder in running 962 unbroken days. BHEL one of the only 4 Indian companies and only Indian public sector enterprise figuring Globe Innovation 1000 boosts and co list of 1000 publicly and trade of company which were biggest spender on R&D world. 2011 Bharat Heavy Electrical Limited has been ranked 9th most innovative company in the world. US Business Magazine Forbes filled 303 patent and copyright during the year of intellectual capital of the gone up to 1438 patent and copyright. List of R&D breakthrough source. R&D breakthrough include 100 kilowatt permanent magnet motor, India submarine program which significantly reduced size of submarine for greater mobility, insulated gate bipolar transistor bed, inverter of railway locomotives and propulsion system which allow locomotives use power more efficiently, helped BHEL rupees 400 crore order from the Indian Railway, beating international rivals. R&D developed high temperature superconducting HTSC transformer which is more efficient, smaller in size, weight and volume, can withstand twice capacity overload with the insulation damage or loss of product life. 2011 world first 1200 kV ultra high voltage alternating current UHVAC transformer 333 MVA rating transformer has been developed, manufactured and successfully tested by BHEL entirely through in-house. Know how India Power Grid beats global beer in the high voltage game in help of BHEL world first DC electric train engine Regenerative braking concept involving the energy efficient regeneration system was put into shape of BHEL 5000 HP WAG7 electric locomotive technology meant upgraded existing dynamic braking system used presently in locomotives. 2002 Bharat Heavy Electrical was successfully developed first kind of world device improving power transfer capability and reducing transmission losses in country highest rating 400 kV transmission line device called controlled shunt reactor. BHEL has commissioned world first plus or minus 800 kV multi-terminal HVDC project from the northeast to Agra. BHEL successfully demonstrated world first indigenous high ash coal gasification plant with convert coal to methanol. BHEL commissioned 250 megawatt Ignite power plant, Gujarat based eco-friendly, circulating the fluidized fed composition CFBC technology using low-grade coal primarily fuel. BHEL developed high-velocity fuel thermal spray process preventing silt erosion composition of hydroelectric power station. HVOF coating were applied turbine needles and project and guide vanes of tap cover and lower ring of Barrel and project. Barrel project was found coated component showed negligible erosion. BHEL implement innovative boiler cleaning process coal-fired thermal unit. Boiler commissioning cycle will reduce from 100 days to 80 days, successfully completing main boiler acid cleaning without light up by using auxiliary boiler. BHEL with collaboration with IIT Madras developed solid waste composter at the indigenous pilot plant based on first two kind of rotary furnace efficiently incinerator use aggregate municipal solid waste. Incinerate unsegregated municipal solid waste generated in India. 2022 Bharat Heavy Electrical Limited produced bus potential transfer model first kind developed by Indian manufacturer existing design. Separate potential transformer PT panel was provided having same size, weight and cost of regular feeder panel. Cost saving 57% achieved by new development addition. Panel size weight are reduced to 80% compared to conventional PT panel. New PT model of 33 kV gas insulated switchgear JSS successfully developed, installed, commissioned substation site HVPNL sector 107 Gurugram Haryana. Manufacturing facilities Bhopal factory Bullet WAG7 BHEL yard Jhansi. 2009 developed new state-of-art 1200 kV class ultra high voltage UHV transformer manufacturing facility BHEL Madhya Pradesh. New UHV transfer black ash dust free and controlled atmosphere conditioned air by for winding work, pressurized back core building, final assembly EOT cranes for lifting loads for up to 450 tons. Aerostatic pressurizing device winding cushion of air cushion transport. Air conditioned base winding works pressurized base for building and final assembly EOT cranes lifting load up to 450 ton. Aerostatic pressurizing device winding air cushion transport system. Movement equipment machinery and attached UHV laboratory testing transformer. BHEL Jhansi factory township Uttar Pradesh India. Founded 9 January 1974. One of the 17 manufacturing units including FSI Jagdishpur. Jhansi started production transfer for 1976. BHEL Jhansi has two product group transformer and locomotive test facility. BHEL collaborated with Nation High Power Test Laboratory PVT Lead Test Auto Transformer NHPTL facility. Established India first high temperature spin test rig and coal based thermal power plant. Efficiency enhanced coal based thermal power plant depends on the use nickel based super layer material of against chrome based steel widely used now. Advanced ultra supercritical AUSU consortium selected by nickel based alloy. Upcoming project have won the contract supply 80 Vande Bharat Express. 2019 Bell at the talks form of consortium initially bullet 1 gigawatt lithium ion battery plant. India plant capacity will scaled up 30 gigawatt hour due cross. 2022 BHEL at the formed participant and